How you doing? This is Martin, 52-year-old man, trying to stay in shape while all the gyms are closed. I'll send you a quick clip. Today I gotta go climb a hill at the Loma Linda Park. I go in the afternoon because, is anyone sick of bicycles? I'm in Palm Springs. Bicycles, dogs, and mountain bikes. I can't stand them. I used to do triathlons. I did the Wildman, Vineman, all type of triathlons. But now, when you see someone 60 or 70-year-old on a bike, let me tell you, it is not a pretty sight. I've done that stuff. I'm 52. I don't need to be riding no damn bike nowhere. I don't need a dog either. I grew up 385 East 116th Place. I had dogs. I've had cats. I don't need no dog living with me. I don't need to be picking up after no dog. I've done it before. I don't need to do it again. So today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about 2 months left in the year. How do you think things are going? How many of those people you think were celebrating when Biden got elected? How many of them are hoping that they get a check from the government? How many of them are actually working? Because it's all about that money, man. It's all about the cash flow, man. It's got to make that cash. So, what do you think, man? You think they're all hoping Nancy Pelosi? Ain't no money coming till January, so what we have to hope for, Veterans Day starts November 11th. Hopefully, I'll get to my Vegas trip, and then from there we have Thanksgiving Day. This is the first year I saw that I went to Vaughn's. They have a thing where you can earn a turkey points. I'm like, man, is it that bad this year? Could be bad, man. I'm telling you, I thought things would pick up quicker, but it looks like things are going to be picking up at least until, I thought they would pick up about November 11th, November 12th, but we're looking at picking up about probably November 20th when we start having all the people go do all the Christmas shopping. So we may have a big pickup then. But what I want you guys to think about, what are you going to do to make more money? What did I tell you before? What are the things that you're going to be able to do now to make money? Sales, number one. Got to know how to sell yourself. And like I told you before, when you sell yourself, you have to just go talk to the person. That don't ask for the job, don't beg for the job. You need to almost lay out, this is what I can do currently. These are some things I'm going to be able to do for the future. What do you think I can do? That's what I'm about to do. I've been sending letters to the Board of Chamber of Commerce people, trying to get some information from them, see what I can do to help them make some money. Then I'll go door to door, seeing if I can help some pool and landscaping people make money. See if I can use my engineering degree and an MBA to help them out to make some money. But I need to get out there and hustle now. I don't need to be teaching my dog how to fetch. I was at the park, man's out there with the kids with the remote control car. I hope the dad with the remote control car in Palm Springs, I hope you have some money. I hope you ain't shopping at the grocery outlet with your kids. I hope you ain't telling your wife, honey, we've got it going on, and then you're shopping at 99-cent store or what else, buying your meat at Target. I hope some of you with these fancy dogs and these fancy cars, I hope you have enough money where you're providing the best food, at least reasonably best food. I hope you're not parking your Mercedes or your Audi in front of the Audi, going inside. What is it? You smiling? I'm broke. Are you broke too? Let's get into our fancy car and go home. Don't be one of those people, man. Be one of those people who say, honey, go to the Whole Foods. Or, honey, at least go to Vaughn's and buy the best meat possible. Honey, go and do this, go do that. Just don't tell my wife, oh, honey, we're going to have to make it. I got myself a fancy car so I can look cool, but we got to cut back on our budget, and you need to go shop at Target and buy that Target meat. That Target meat is nasty, man. I tried that. During that COVID, 2 months during COVID, I had to shop at Target and I had to shop at Audi. Worst experiences of my life, man. I remember one day when the Audis opened up, this one person's hoarding all the food, and I'm just looking at him, big fat guy. I'm like, man, maybe you need to put a mask on, and this could be a great thing for you. Based on, hopefully, it took a pandemic for you to stop eating, for you to put a mask on that mouse. Why don't you try to muzzle or something? So I'm saying what you need to do is, what are you going to do to get out there and make that money, man? I'm out. I thought things would pick up. I'm in California. I showed you a picture today of my parking lot. Go to my Instagram account, Mark Morris. Look me up and find me. Go to my Instagram account. That parking lot used to have 200, 300 cars in a day. Now it's empty. It's maybe 10 or 20. Now think about the millions of dollars in gas, a million dollars of lost from an AM, PM, lost from a restaurant. All that money's lost because people are teleworking at home. Schools aren't open, so the high school students at home, even a college student, we need their financial aid money. When they get that money for the government, when they know they're not going to pay back a student loan, us businesses can't even get that, man. It's a disaster. So what are we going to do? I guess I'm in California, so I don't know what's going to happen to us, man. Because there's no stimulus money coming for no one until January 20th. Even the businesses, there's nothing coming. So you're going to have to get out there old school style. Knock on that door. Hi, my name is Martin. Give me some money. My name is Martin. Give me some money. Let me help you and just give me some money. I didn't realize marketing is senior to sales. You've just got to keep asking to the point where the person wants to punch you in the face. When they want to punch you in the face, that's what I learned from Grant Cardone. Then you're making some progress, man. Because you got to, I didn't realize I got Biden on social media. Got to wait till Camilla starts. She'll be going to the church, to the black churches. Amen, amen, holy Jesus. Oh. Can't wait till that starts. She goes to the black churches. Oh, God. Don't get me started. That ain't gonna help you, man. Because what I told you before, I'll tell you again. Money got Biden in office. It wasn't no Trump. It wasn't no Russia. Even for Trump, money got him in office. You can't try to go buy some food with a mask. Go take a mask. Go take you a couple of masks and say, "Can I buy $10 worth of food with my mask?" He said, "Get the fuck out of here, fool. Security, get this knucklehead out of here." That's why I laugh when people, "Oh, you got your mask on?" I got my mask on. I remember this big fat guy came up to me. "Hey, put your mask on properly. I had a heart attack." "Well, you so fucking fat, man. You maybe have no heart attack." Thank God it took a pandemic for us to put a mask on your mouth. At least try to stop you from eating. Probably every time you came to the free food place, that's why you're looking like Fat Howard, man. Come on, don't give the bro a problem. You may have more than a heart attack problem if I return to my 385 East 116th ways. How about if I lay a couple of 5 of these on that head? Give you a couple of big knots to go with that big gut you're packing. And that broken heart, how about give you a broken jaw to go with it? Ooh, what I'm talking about, man. But this is going to be a tough year, man. I want to see what all these Biden people are doing right now. What they going to be doing, man? All these Biden people. I can't wait. What's CNN going to do, man? What's CNN going to do? Shit. We ain't got nothing to talk about. Nobody want to hear what the fuck Biden do. And you're not going to go cover Camilla unless some cop, unless they're going to probably, maybe they'll cover, what is it, black people and unwed women with black things. Maybe that's what they'll cover up. Camilla, what do you think about the black women getting screwed by all the black men, or the black men who screw all the Mexican and white girls and then they have babies but they don't marry them? What do you think about that, Camilla? That's all Camilla's going to be good for. Other than that, Biden gonna make sure she keep a low profile. That house, between that house and that Democrat is razor thin, man. There's no type of majority. And then you got the elections coming up in 2 years. So Biden is gonna be all those congressmen are gonna be dog eat dog, man. They ain't gonna follow the Democratic Party. So it's gonna be a mess. But what I'm talking about you though, you can't get caught in all the drama. Don't get caught in all the hype, because a lot of people are gonna be talking. Talk this, Trump this, Biden that, Camilla this, Pence that. What you need to do is you need to think about what you're going to do to get some money in your pocket. And if you got to beg, you got to beg. I saw this one person with the homeless sign. That's right. You started off right. Hello, give me $5, man. I'll get a little closer to me, man. I'll give you that $5, but you can't be like 20 miles away from me. Get a little bit closer. Here's $1. Here's $1. I even walked and gave $1. I said, that guy has a great smile. Let me give him some money. So I walked over and gave him $1. Now I talk about it, next time I walk over and give him $2. So what I'm saying is, this is the time. This is a rebirth. America, this is the, after, the British, after the Revolutionary War. This is a time for you to, like the phoenix. America will be reborn. Under the new like the new founding fathers, we will be reborn. Now that we're reborn, what are you going to do in this new post-COVID world? Subscribe, comment, like. Are you 52 like me? You're retiring. You see 0%, 1% interest in the rent banks, knowing, hey, what are your two options? Either I leave my money in the bank and hope that, leave my money in my account, hoping that my pension fund doesn't go bust, or should I take all my money out the account, at least get my 1% interest on my return on my money, and try to find some ways to make extra money? So my Backlash retirement program, $200. I'm going to take $500 to Vegas. You're going to watch me take $500 to Vegas, and if I can win $50, that's 10 times more than what I would make if I left my money in the bank for a year. Took $500 and left it in the bank for over a year at 1% interest. And I'm going to the downtown Grand Hotel because they have the parlays. So I made my money on more money on the different side bet thing than I may make playing blackjack. I may come back with $1,000, $2,000. Hey, that's more than money I can make at the bank. And what did I tell you before? Stock is the same as your attractive woman. Right now, stocks are like that. Sorry about that. Maybe I need to eat. Stocks are the same as that unattractive girl. When she asked, I want to go stay at Best Western. And you say, we're going to stay at Motel 6. Or we're going to go fuck in the park. Which one you want to go to? So, got to get going soon. I hear the landscapers. I'm in California. They don't sweep no more. They use those damn blowers, man. Maybe I should do, what is it? That Star Trek has something called the Burn. If you guys can think of a Burn app for me to disconnect all the landscape blowers in the world, and then we'll say, what happened? What happened to all the lithium-powered landscape things? Now people are using a broom. What's that? So subscribe, comment, like. Subscribe, comment, like. Get yourself ready. We're going to have to get yourself ready. Study your sales skill. Study blackjack. Watch my blackjack tips if you're retiring. Email me. I'll put my email. Give me some retirement strategies. And remember, it's all about this. Don't get caught up in social reform, Paris Accords, all that stuff. It's all about the money. If you don't have this, nobody gives a damn. Trust me. And if you're married and you have a fancy car, and you making your wife shop at a grocery outlet or a Target for food, while if you're a man and you ain't providing, don't do that, man. Treat your queen right, man. Married or not, treat your queen right. Give her the good meat, man. Because if you don't give her the good meat, she gonna leave your meat.